Hey guys, I'm unboxing my Mr. Sketch markers from Amazon. They're the smelly ones, and let's get to it. Okay guys, I unboxed the oh my god guys, there's 22 cents. Here are all the scents for all of them. I think my favorite one is gonna be watermelon, probably, or nacho cheese. Yay! They're here! Yay, slay! I'm so happy. And if you want to check out my next video, it'll be coming up this Tuesday or maybe Monday, which is tomorrow, about my book that I'm gonna be publishing. Because I'm a kid author actually, but yeah!